My name is Gabrielle Dugas Adams, and I have 2 children that have gone through North Early Learning Center. I am also a product of North Early Learning Center. When children come to North, we have an excellent time learning, and they have an excellent time being safe.
We feel that we are a very safe campus, and we put the safety of our students and staff first. For staff arrival, upon arrival, everyone fills out a COVID screener, and that COVID screener lets us know if they are able to enter the building or if we need to further investigate. Also, we'll have to take temperature. At the normal temperature, they're allowed to go into the rest of the building. If not, we have a COVID holding room where students and staff go until they're evaluated by our nurse. Also, they're expected to stand 6 feet apart. We do use social distancing. We have markers on the floor to help everyone to remember to keep that distance of 6 feet apart. We have lots of cleaning and sanitizing protocols, one being our Zono machine, which kills 99.9% of all viruses and germs. We do that daily. We have schedules set up for that so that assistants and teachers can disinfect their cots, all the manipulatives that they use. We have yuck buckets. Those yuck buckets are pushed in and zonoed for 45 minutes to 90 minutes, just depending on what we're zonoing them for. We also wash all of our blankets here so we don't have those going back and forth. And then our cots, we stack the cots, so with our blankets being washed daily, there's no cross-contamination. Also with hand washing, we have visual reminders, and we encourage our children to wash their hands for at least 20 seconds. We have them sing the happy birthday song, and after that they're able to wash their hands, rinse their hands and then dry their hands. So we teach proper hand washing protocol. Also, upon entering the building or classrooms, we have sanitizer dispensers, and they sanitize upon walking in. We have germ blasters, which is an electrostagnetic machine that we use to sanitize between like our center times. Anytime we leave the classroom, we'll have an assistant or the teacher will sanitize the classroom quickly, so when we return it's disinfected. Also, we do our restrooms between each break. We have scheduled restroom breaks, and so we allow enough time that the restrooms are sanitized between use. Our adults wear masks and face shields. At some point or another in our commons areas, they have masks and their face shields on. In their classrooms, they can just wear the face shields. Our students do not have to wear masks, but we function in families or cohorts, and so it's very easily contact traced, and so it just eliminates interactions between other classes. We keep our distance from classes. We feel very confident in the procedures that we have in place. So far to date, we have 0 cases of children, and we've had 2 staff cases. So we do believe strongly in what we are doing and that it has been effective.